अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बहुत सारे लोगों की पसंदीदा डिश गाजर का हलवा। इसको बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 1 kg कैरेट्स ग्रेटेड, फुल ऑफ बादाम एंड पिस्ता स्लाइस्ड, थोड़े से ड्राई ग्रेप्स किशमिश और 5 कार्डमम विद द स्किन पील्ड स्लाइटली, 2 tablespoons of khova, 1/3 cup sugar, half cup of ghee and 1/4 cup condensed milk. इसके साथ में we need 2 cups of milk. Keep a thick bottomed vessel on the stove. Add half a cup of ghee. When the ghee becomes hot, add the sliced badam, pista and the kishmish. Saute for a minute or so till it turns light golden brown. Once the dry fruits are golden brown, add the grated carrots. Let the flame be on low. Mix on sim for 5 to 10 minutes till you get a nice aroma and the carrots slightly change color. Now add the cardamom. Saute for around 8 to 10 minutes. Now add the 2 tablespoons of khova. Mix well till all the khova get mixed up with the carrots and melts nicely. Coats the carrot well and then add the condensed milk. 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Keep the flame on low. Keep stirring. Now add the sugar. We have already added condensed milk, so 1/3 cup of sugar would be enough. Mix well, stir till the sugar dissolves. Now add 2 cups of milk. Mix well and let it cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Do not forget to stir in between. After 10 minutes, the milk has almost dried up and the carrots have also become very soft. Gajar ka halwa is ready. Have a look at it. Smells great and tastes good as well. Keep stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish with slivers of badam and serve chilled. If you are serving it warm, then add a scoop of ice cream beside it. Tastes really good. Do try it out. Thank you for watching.